everyone! I know I'm on my pajamas, but I just received the package that I was waiting from H&M, from the new capsule collection from this year. It's from the designer Giambattista Valli, and when I saw this collection I was like, oh my god, I really need to buy something, just something. If it was for me, I will have bought like the 80% of the collection because I really loved it. But yeah, I need to be wise and not spend just hundreds in just clothes. So yeah, I bought 3 items of this collection and I'm going to show you. So the first one, it's this, I don't know how you call it, jumper? Is it a jumper? No, hooded top? Whatever, I don't know the name, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is an L. I wanted it like really big because I like it like oversized. It's got pocket? Whatever. And feels really nice. On the inside is like really soft and warm, so I assume it's going to be perfect for winter, and I love it. I really love it. And this was £49.99. The next one were these socks, knee socks, and this was £12.99, and I really love them because they're up to the knee, and they have this part that you get on the back of your leg, and I think it's really cute. It says love, I don't know if you can read it, and yeah, pink and in black, and I really loved it. Also, it's got these details like the name in like silicone. Yeah, and the material it's weird, it's like very flexible, so I assume you can put it on top of your jeans or trousers or whatever, and it's going to be okay. Then the next thing that I bought is this t-shirt. Also, this is an L size. I wanted it also maxi. And yeah, it's just a t-shirt. But yeah, it says the name as well. And this was £24.99. You can touch it and you know it's good quality. It's not something cheap or just a normal t-shirt. It's nice. It's strong but soft at the same time. I really liked it. And about this collection, yeah, as I said, I would have bought nearly 80% of the collection, like these pictures that I'm going to put you here. But for example, the dress, this red dress, I loved it. But where or when am I going to wear it? I don't think I'm going to wear it anytime soon. So I didn't want to just spend like £300 just to have a dress over there. But yeah, it's really cute. Also, it was a couple more dresses that I liked. Yeah, as I said, it's a collection that I really enjoy, and I cannot wait to see who is going to be on the collection for the next year. I must say this was very quick because today is a Saturday, and I think the collection was released on the Thursday, so just 2 days for shipping. So I'm very pleased with that, because the last one that I bought, it was in Spain, and it was last year. It was the Moschino one, and I bought a jumper from, yeah, and I was waiting for over a week or something like that, and I was thinking someone stole my package. But no, yeah, finally came home. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this collection. Have you bought something? You like it? You hate it? Or whatever you want to tell me. I will be replying on the comments. So see you next video.